Blocking is a defensive skill where a player jumps near the net with raise and to stop or slow down the opponent attack or spike. Simple explanation: when the other team spikes the ball, the front row players try to block it by jumping up near the net, extending their hands and arms upward, preventing the balls from crossing into their side. Purpose of blocking: stop the opponent from scoring, slow down the spike, make it easier for teammates to receive the ball. Types of blocking: number 1, single block, 1 player blocks. Number 2, double block, 2 player block together. Number 3, triple block, 3 player block together. Example: if the opponent spike the ball hard, the middle blocker and outside blocker may jump together, block the ball back to the opponent court. To do blocking in volleyball, you need good timing, jumping, and end position. Step in blocking: number 1, get ready position, stand near the net, bend your knees slightly, keep your hands up and eyes on the ball. Number 2, watch the setter and spiker. Look where the ball is going, predict where the attacker will spike. Number 3, move quickly, shuffle sideways along the net, stay balanced and face the eater. Number 4, jump straight up, jump with both feet, raise both arms high above the net. Number 5, position your hands, spread your finger wide, push your hands slightly forward to stop the ball. Number 6, land safely, bend your knees when landing, get ready for the next play. Important tips: do not touch the net, time your jump with the spiker it, communicate with teammates during double blocks, practice jumping in footwork regularly. If the opponent is about to spike from the left side, move into front of them, jump at the same time they hit the ball and use your hands to stop the spike.